What are you doing with your hair today, darling?
Today, I think we're just going to take off like the dead ends and do some reshaping.
When was your last haircut?
Like a year ago.
Okay. Any particular reason why? Didn't get a chance or just...
Yeah, just didn't get a chance to.
Okay. You say you just want to trim today, but are you okay with how things are shaping out right now?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. You sure? Because for me, I'm seeing like one of the things that you mentioned was like volume was lacking for you. Normally when that happens, it just means like I can see like these guys that are at the top of your head are a bit overgrown. So are you kind of experiencing like any flatness anywhere because of that?
At the top.
Yeah? Okay. Okay. Do you have a picture of like when you've styled your hair?
Yes, I do.
Around here, do you see how like there's like different lengths happening? You're okay like tidying that up?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. This is a photo that like you loved how your hair is in this photo.
But I see how the bangs, it's like really short.
Yeah. Still kind of seeing that existing. These guys look really short to me. Are you open today? We can still style it open, but I think to camouflage these guys a little bit, are you okay like pulling some more forward to do it like as bangs until these shorter guys grow out and you're really able to open it out better? Okay. You like a definition person or like a volume person?
Volume.
Volume? Okay. All right. Today we're going to try to get a mix of both. I think that would be really nice for you. Also, too, I think the bangs are going to be a nice change.
Thank you so much.
Excited?
Yes.
Okay. So... I love this afro, but it was dehydrated, and hydration is key to the best definition. Here's how I did it. Everything starts with having a really good cleansing routine. I'm starting off with a detox shampoo from Davines. I love their cleansing line. Their SOLU shampoo was the first shampoo. And then I started to build my hydration in the hair by going in with their Love Curl shampoo. Listen, he was in heaven right here. The shampoo is always going to be the best part of the service. Tell me I'm lying. This is where the magic happens now. Davines has some amazing masks, and I'm using 2 of them in combination. Renaissance Circle for that intense hydration and Spotlight Circle for that intense shine. I apply the Renaissance Circle all throughout the hair, and then I work in smaller sections, applying the Spotlight Circle in each section. I just work it through with my brush. I love the Tangle Teezer, by the way. Work it through with my brush, and then I just simply twist everything away. It helps me to stay organized and to give me that manageability when I'm working with high density. I let my mask sit for 10 minutes, and you can already see the shine just popping through. If you were to ask me for my favorite product recipe, this is it right here. Oribe Curl Gloss, Davines Curl Gel Oil, and the Innersense I Create Hold. Curl Gloss is always my base. I apply that everywhere first, and then I work in smaller sections, applying either the Curl Gel Oil from Davines or the Innersense I Create Hold. For my client, I mainly use the Innersense I Create Hold. Look how juicy we're looking. Yes! Your setup is the most important part of your styling. Put that time in, set up your style right, and you'll get the best results. Before drying, I re-spritz with water because water is always going to be the best source of hydration. Yes. And the results are mwah. I love it. And the shape.